I'm going to make a bacon, egg, and cheese that every bodega in New York City will be jealous of. But look at this right here. This is that fancy stuff, and I want to show you up close and personal. This bad boy right here that looks like a piece of beef jerky is called Bottarga, and it is actually fancy curd fish roe. I got a cast iron pan on medium heat, and we're just gonna lay our bacon strips right in there. If they stick up front, don't worry, because that fat is gonna loosen them up once they start to cook down. While that's going, I'm gonna cut up my biscuits, our beautiful biscuits. To cut them, I'm gonna use a serrated knife, and we're just gonna go right across the middle. You gotta concentrate on this so they don't fall apart. So there we go. We're gonna flip that bacon. There we go. I want this to be nice and crispy. We're using a cast iron pan because cast iron pans make everything crispy. We have the bacon fat, which is warm enough, and I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. I don't need too much butter because we already got that fat. And I'm just gonna crack my egg right on top of that. All right, so I'm gonna teach you a little trick. We got an egg. If you want a perfectly done over easy egg, put a little bit of water in a domed lid, and then you just pop that water in, and that steam is gonna circulate in there, and it's gonna move around. It's gonna be like this, and it's gonna be, and what it does is it cooks the top of the egg so that you don't have to turn it over and risk the yolk running out of it. And look at that. Ta-da! A perfectly done over easy egg. All right? Let's turn that heat off, and I'm just going to start to assemble my sandwich. I kind of want to toast my buns. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this on a plate, take my buns, and I'm just gonna put them right into this heat. That bacon fat and that butter will soak into our biscuits. Look at that. Look how sexy that is. Look at that. Look at them little bubbles just popping. Pop, 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 pop. Now, we're going to put that cheese right on top. So now, the fact that we've heated up our bun, we don't have to put this into the oven. And so I'm going to top with that egg. So we're gonna plate this up. So this right here, this is a regular bacon, egg, and cheese. And now we finna bougify it. To do this, you gotta take the skin from that Bottarga and you just peel it back a little bit. And you grate it, all right? You grate this right on top. Look at this. And now for the lid. There we go. Look at that. Now to try it. I don't even know where to start with this. Look at that. It's dripping out the side. Not good.